Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is quarantine day 15 for me, and I'm going out of my mind. Thankfully, my family has the house party app, so we all FaceTime each other and you can play games on there, so that's what we've been using to survive. In today's video, I just wanted to review something that's old. I guess it came out about a year ago. I had no idea about it. I'm sure you've seen this everywhere. It's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Voluminizer Best Beauty Allure Award winner. So I'm hoping that means something very good. But this is what it looks like. This is like a cooling tip, so you can kind of hold that end and go out. It is a little big, but I guess that's what's gonna give you the volume. And then it has the setting down here. There's a off, cool, low, and high. I kind of already went ahead and put the Olaplex bonding oil in my hair. I forgot that I was doing a video and I was just like, So I just, when my hair is wet, I just take the bonding oil, 2 drops, rub it and get it all in my hair throughout. I'm just gonna get my brush, comb my knots out. I'm gonna go in with my Pantene Heat Primer. It protects up to 450 degrees. Now that I brushed that and spread it evenly through my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and separate. So I just go like from midpoint of my ears, let my fingers meet, separate it, and then I'm just gonna use these clips to put my hair up. Then I'm gonna split that part in half, just like that, and then start blow drying. Okay, so far I'm getting a blow dry, but I feel like my hair looks like frizzy. So far, this is where we're at. I am not mad at it. I definitely still need to go in and blow dry because when I started, my hair was wet, even my scalp. So just to make sure that everything is dry in there. So far, some of it is dry, like majority, but there's still some like damp places I could feel. See what this looks like in the middle. So this is what it looks like right now with like just... I'm not mad at it. I really like it. I think it gave me a lot of volume considering I do have fine hair. So like I said, I'm gonna go one more time and that'll be the last time I do it, and hopefully we get some good results. Okay, so this is the final look. This is what I got from the Revlon. On a scale of 1 to 10, how pleased I am, I would definitely say 9.5, a strong 9.5. I think the other half is because I'm probably not styling correctly, so I could be getting better results. So I'm gonna practice a little bit more on that, but I'm really happy. This is also gonna save me a bunch of money so that I don't have to keep going to the salon to get a blowout. The next time I do my hair, I'm gonna see how long it actually takes me, because you know, then you know, like, okay, if I shower and wash my hair now and I'm going out in 2 hours, then I know my hair is only gonna take me 30 minutes, my makeup maybe an hour, and you're good to go. So that was my review and my experience with the Revlon Voluminizing Airbrush. I recommend that if you do have thin hair and you want some volume and you usually use a flat iron, if you want to skip the salon and save yourself some money, go out and get this brush. Don't forget heat protecting, because that's also very important, especially if your hair is bleached like mine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video, if quarantine doesn't take me down with an anxiety and a panic attack. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys. Bye.